Good morning. This is grandmom, granddaughter, and grandson. Just having me some breakfast and just leftover spaghetti. Which I'm actually, well, as y'all know, I live in a motel, so I'm actually laying in the bed, and I'm by my window. Looking out the window, watching a mukbang on my tablet. I didn't want no eggs or bacon or none of that stuff this morning, so I didn't boil me no eggs. So, just have leftover. I hope you're having a good Monday morning. Grandkids, they're in school. Need to be here no later than 8:20. So I had got a ride today instead of walking. Thank God.
Bella, where the hell have you been, Loca? I brought you something. It's a little crazy. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Nicole, of course. Today, we are going to be eating some Chinese food. I've been craving Chinese. I actually got this a few blocks away from my house. I think it is the best spot in town. Actually, there's multiple locations. So, yeah, number one Chinese is my favorite spot to go when I'm in Milwaukee. So, what we have on the menu today is some lo mein, some rice, and sweet and sour chicken. For my drink, it's going to be a Coca-Cola. And it's nice and cold, too. I also have some white rice on the side. But we will possibly get to that. I don't know. My sweet and sour is back here. I'm trying to shake it up a little bit so it looks like there's more in the bowl, but I guess I told myself. Anyways, real quick before we hop into eating this,
There's going to be a lot of talking today, but it's early. I'm still.
After he took it or whatever, first of all, they whipped it up in 7 minutes. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. They were quick, and I felt so bad. I ran in because they had like 20 minutes till close, right? And I was like, do you mind if you are you guys closing? Like, am I too late? Can we whip up something real quick? And they were like, no, I don't mind. I was like, cool, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And
Gotta go. Oh, I gotta go online today and apply for another Social Security card. I got on a waiting list for a low-income housing here, and finally got called. I had everything they needed, all the my grandkids' birth certificate, banking information as far as child support and stuff. When I do get it, and getting in their office and excited and hoping to get this background done quick so that I can get out this motel. And I didn't have my Social Security card or my birth certificate. Now don't ask me where it's at. I don't know what I did with it, which is weird because I haven't used it for anything. I have not used it for anything. And usually I keep it in at least I will have my Social Security card. If I don't have my birth certificate, I'll definitely have my Social Security card And I always keep that in my wallet, and it wasn't in there, which freaked me out because I couldn't believe it.
I know this is so basic, but it's just so good to me.
So now I gotta reapply for all this stuff again. So, money I don't have. So my cousin's supposed to help me out with the birth certificate. I think it's like $25 out here. Where I was born in Garland. So, thank God for her.
This is supposed to be a small portion. This was supposed to be a large. This is a large. So, it all looks the same to me.
Yeah. That happened, which I was disappointed. Not being prepared, which is something I'm never not. It's weird that I didn't actually, you know what's weird? That I didn't even check this before that, my social security card and birth certificate. I made sure I had the kids, but it never dawned on me to check and see if I had mine. And just had it all together, you know?
So I made sure I got some hot sauce and then
So,
as well as some duck sauce.
that is really weird. I didn't check. I was just
I
guess so excited about just having the opportunity that I found this, you know, that they called me. It's been almost, I think it's been almost a year here. Maybe almost a year here, and I'm kind of, it's just too much. Because, you know, ain't no room. Me and the kids got to share a room. And my granddaughter definitely want her own room. I want mine. Just tired of living here. So, just see a bunch of parts, but that sausage is in here.
Pretty dope for the most part.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go online and apply for my social security card, and then call my cousin, see what day if she can still do it. If not, I'll wait and figure out get the money out somehow and get my birth certificate. At least have her take me. I'm sure she'll do that. Yep. Oh yeah. I got this job opportunity with this gentleman that I met online who we got like a neighborhood website out here, and he's looking for you know, home health aid sort of thing, like cleaning up basically. He's paralyzed, and I answered the ad. It's been months ago, but he still won't be work for him. So I did the application, but I did it online and I messed up on it. And so I just sent some paperwork off the other day for the company, and apparently there's something else I need to go to the library and download and copy. Headache. It's a headache, but I gotta do that this week, which is crazy because that library, you know, you go to the library and get free copy. Now they charge you, and it's 20 cents a copy. The great thing was I had to download the whole application. The first time, that's what I did. I just downloaded the whole application so I can find out what paper I made a mistake on and just correct the mistake. Go back and correct it. Download the whole application and a blank application and then sign and then correct the mistakes. So that was like 27 pages. It's like $5, almost $6 I had to pay for the copies. I'm like, Jesus Christ. Now I gotta do that. I think I got like, he just sent me something in the email, something else that I needed to download and copy and bring to him so we can go over it and correct it and then send it. And I'm like, what the heck? I thought I'd be ready to be working by now, almost. Or something else. I got some crackers, just. I can only eat a little bit of crackers because I'm a diabetic, type 2. And these, I got salt on it. I didn't know it, but it tastes so good. It tastes good, I ain't gonna lie.
The comments, you guys are truly, like, I'm so sorry. I don't want to say this about anyone at all.
So, yeah, I gotta do that this week. Get that out the way. Trying to get everything done. The Lord knows. I want to be in a place in my life where I'm just at peace. Like, things are getting done when they're supposed to get done. We're in our own place, apartment garage, and living out trying to live life, You gotta. So I can stop stressing about stuff. So I deal with my stress by, I figure I'll start YouTubing. Talk to somebody out there and maybe they can give me some advice, It's hard. I'm tell you, being single and by yourself with no family help is hard. And then at my age, raising 2 kids, little kids like that, I don't raise my kids. Dude. When I got around with my youngest son, he's with his girlfriend. My grandkid's dad, he got murdered 5 years ago. And then I got an older son who's in prison. So, it's hard. It's hard. And at my age, trying to date and stuff, a lot of young men hit on me. I already got kids. I already got kids. I ain't trying to do nobody else's child. But some of them are mature. I ain't gonna say they all. But it can start out that way and then I ain't trying to do nobody else's kids. And the older men, they ain't no better. They be wanting sex. I'm looking for that. And plus, I'm a package deal. And I like to be cautious about who I bring around my grandkids. I don't play that at all. So that's why I've been single for so long, because I ain't no rush to be put myself out there for, you know, in this relationship, and then this guy turned out to be, and wasn't worth it. And I don't have it around my grandkids, or, you never know. You gotta be cautious nowadays with the dating game. Looking at you, but watching the kids, I'm not with that. Stuff like that, or just trying to see what they can get from you. I ain't got time for that. Not at all. So, yeah, so just trying to live life and move forward, not stay stagnated and where I'm at. Try to get out of here and get up in a own apartment. So that's what I'm doing. And thank you for YouTube for opportunity, and definitely you guys, whoever watch, for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like. Give me some suggestions, please. This is all new to me, and I'm using my phone camera, so I don't know how good it's gonna come out. But I'm trying my best to. I'll learn more as I go along, and hopefully somebody give me some suggestions, free suggestions, please. Not got no financial money to pay for them, but yeah, to do better, how I can make my video better, more appealing and entertaining and all that. And then I'm, because my granddaughter more invested in wanting to do this with me too. So, especially when I'm teaching her how to cook, she wants to video it. I don't know what's wrong with my finger here, my pointer. It hurts. Like an aching pain, like a sharp pain in my finger. Oh, I don't know if it's a nerve or what, but it hurt. So, okay. Well, thank you for watching. You have a good day.